This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status.
Hello,
I'm Timo Nienstadt, Product Manager at Dräger. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Dräger ConHub gateway to Gas Detection Connect, our cloud-based solution. To get started, press and hold the OK button on the device. This will start up the ConHub, as shown by the yellow LED strips. This process takes about 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and move on to the next steps in Gas Detection Connect. The Dräger ConHub acts as a gateway between our cloud solution, Gas Detection Connect, and your portable gas detection devices. To add a new ConHub to your organization's account in Gas Detection Connect, start by logging in and enabling the option to register new devices. Go to gdc.dräger.com and sign in with your email address and password. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to activate new device registration. New Xdocs and ConHubs can now be registered for the next 8 hours. For the next steps, copy your organization's PIN from this page. Once the LED strips turn blue, the startup is complete and the ConHub is ready for initial setup. Now you'll need to connect to the ConHub's Wi-Fi. To do this, open the network settings on your laptop and connect to the Wi-Fi network ConHub _ followed by the device's serial number. The password is always Dräger ConHub. Once you're connected to the network, open your web browser and access the ConHub's web interface. To do this, enter the IP address 192.168.2.1. This will take you to the ConHub setup wizard. From here, you can follow the steps to add the ConHub to your organization's account in Gas Detection Connect. Click Start to begin the wizard and link your Dräger ConHub to your GDC account. You can now begin by assigning a name and then create a password for it. Enter and confirm the password. In the next step, you need to select how the device connects to the internet. Here you'll set up the network connection via Wi-Fi. To do that, you'll need the SSID, which is the name of the Wi-Fi network, and its corresponding password. In the final step, you'll add the PIN for your organization's account in Gas Detection Connect. Since you copied it earlier, you can simply paste it in now. Next, review the entries again to make sure everything is correct. Then click Initialize. The ConHub will now connect to the internet and be added to your Gas Detection Connect account. With these steps complete, your Dräger ConHub is now configured and ready to go. Thank you for watching.